we're gonna see how bad the last owner didn't maintain it right now.
So, pulling out the spark plug. What's the verdict?
Oil.
Oil.
But on the top. So valve cover gasket.
You think?
Yeah, it's coming on top.
Oh yeah, right there on the white. But how does the spark plug look? It's not too bad.
No.
It's definitely old.
It's definitely old. Like very crusty.
That's a lot of buildup. And I knew it was bad too because pulling it out,
Couldn't fucking pull the damn thing out.
it didn't want to go left or right. Well, it went, but it just felt tight.
It just got tight and loose and tight.
You finish this side. We just got to do this side. And this is the side that's misfiring. So hopefully, we can get it fixed.
Just pulled out cylinder 6, and this is one of the cylinders that were misfiring. This thing is fucking black. So it's gonna pull number 1. So the box fucking tanks in the way, and we're gonna see how bad that one is, because 4 and 6 were the ones that were misfiring. So let's see how it is. It's flying.
Toast. Oily too.
Valve cover.
Getting this last spark plug out.
Let's see how this one is.
Here's the one on cylinder 6.
That's 6.
Black as shit.
This is what we were talking about. This shit gets so tight. Like loose.
But then it gets tight.
It gets tight.
There you go. Fuck it, should we grab the impact?
Are you sure about that? I mean, we can send the bitch.
Spark plugs are in. Let's see if we blew it up or... Nah, I'm fine. She's alive. She sounds way better. She sounds better. Oh yeah.
I hear that.
Oh, she's moving.
It's actually idling now, bro.
Woo! Living life. Check it out though, we got the spark plugs in. Got the dog in the back. She's high. We're all high, enjoying life. It's not getting stuck in first gear no more. Like I couldn't even move, dude. Couldn't even move. Now oh shit. Oh my god. Do you hear it?
Yes, I hear that shit. German Hellcat.
Ooh. Sliding too, gang. It's icy out. Dude, this thing is not even... Hold on. This thing is not even misfiring no more. This bitch is good.
This thing's nasty.
Good brakes. Good brakes.
What the fuck?
I'm going through the tunnel.
Nah, bro, that is absolutely crazy. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, this thing is 10 times better. What the fuck?
10, 100.
Bro, that is nasty.
There's no lag.
This thing just pulls. So first tunnel in the state. Bro, this bitch moved. Nah, Justin, I want your honest opinion, bro.
That's my honest opinion, nigga.
Bro, this bitch pulls. I'm a little woo.
Yo, like I got scared, bro.
This bitch
it was just pulling, and then I was on the brakes, and it was not braking. You know?
This bitch needs brakes bad.
Woo! Dang, I ain't gonna lie. Woo!
I'm shaking a little bit. That bitch moved.
Dang, I'm not even putting this bitch in drive. I'm driving this straight paddle shit. I want to see how it feels, dude.
Oh.
One headlight too, by the way. And we're downtown.
No hood, no fender.
No hood, no fender. Straight line.
This is a crazy car. I ain't gonna fucking lie. Holy shit. Goof ass.
Face ass. I'm gonna put this bitch in drive. Turn this off, man. We gotta chillax, bro. This is an illegal weapon. That's the only thing that has the pads. So you're not really getting pops like that. But I don't mind it, bro. It's a lot of attention. All I need is that one. Put him down. Straight. Not straight. We got Tristin driving.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my lips are so fucking chappy lips. Oh my gosh, Tristin. Now shit.